Hey, welcome to Woma's Kitchen. What do we got here? Ooh! Wash it down with a fine malt. Pop that shit open. Get this party started. That's how it's done, people. This is just the beginning. What are you about to do?
I'm about to put on the jump off song before we get up out of here. So when we leave, feeling hype for the night, play boys, Beantown, show how we do it up here in the frigid ass cold. When I hit the scene, hit the big beam, baby, taking it down to the fucking Fanny Hall, keeping it true.
Sam Adams, how you doing?
Windmill, windmill for the land, I'm forever hand in hand. Take it and live on your side. It is taking, falling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land, is everybody in.
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cat, lining them up like ass crack. Play these ponies at the track. It's my chocolate attack.
And we're off.
Reppin' harder this year. Yeah, bear reppin' harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Ha 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 ha. We gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it until you chat ahead and watch the way I navigate.
We stopped on the highway, 90 west. The trip has begun.
20 minutes out of Austin, and we pulled over because there are things making noises. We're gonna be fine there, but the battery died. So we're gonna get a jump.
Go out somebody.
This is the beginning of a wonderful journey.
It's a good start.
Time is for a Dutch, I think.
More light, folks. There's more light.
And we roll.
Windmill, windmill for the land, I'm forever hand in hand. Take it and live on your stride. It is rolling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land, is everybody in.
Road trip, baby. Burning across the country.
Stop, get it, deep high, you captains in it, steady, watch me navigate. Don't stop, get it, deep high, you captains in it, steady, watch me navigate.
We're experiencing a little overheating situation. Yikes. Is that trouble?
Yes, I don't know.
Right now we're experiencing some ridiculous rain. That doesn't look good.
Kids with guns, kids with guns, taking over.
Carry on when I'm gone, my friends. I'm set sailing. I won't be back again. I walk a straight and narrow line between the life of a sinner and the life of a prophet. I lay my head in a different bed each night. I see the moon from a different side, and I'm wandering again.
Where the hell are we going?
I try at night.
They left me in the rest area alone. And all I'm attracted to over here seems to be frosted beverages. Malted beverages at that. Fine malts. Look at this guy. I love this food here. Dale. Hey boy. Couple Route 66 signs too.
This is
you know, hanging out. Might get some jerky. Might get some beers, you know.
Hey ladies, how you doing? Bail, I'll kill you. Touching my women.
I walk a straight and narrow line between the life of a sinner and the life of a prophet. I lay my head
I don't know what these kids are doing. That's a big cross.
from a different side and wonder again. Just leave me here.
Texas.
I'm gonna be
Just after visiting the world's biggest cross, and now we stop to see the Cadillac Graveyard. Beautiful sight, minus the smell, which is slightly less than pleasant.
The sign on the door says exit, so I'm leaving. The sun coming up gives me something to believe in. The clock on the wall got broken just in time. I lost my keys, but I found my mind. Wandering through this no man's life. Carry on when I'm gone, my friends. I'm sad and sailing. I won't be back again.
Woo! Good job, to the bank.
And I'm doing big gigs.
Moving down Santa Fe style. Live tunes, drinking some beers, resting up after a long, long drive. Feeling like a new man.
Friends, I'm sad and sailing. I won't be back again. I walk a straight and narrow line between the life of a sinner and the life of a prophet. I lay my head in a different bed each night. I see the
he doesn't get arrested.
different side.
That's all I'm worried about.
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Huh? Get your ass up and hurrah. Alright. This is the room which we fucking torn apart. We're gonna get on the road, grab some food tasting. Maybe see some cliff dwellings. Who knows, man? Who knows?
On the tip of my tongue, when offensive is poised and rearing. My intention.
Rolling.
My body
Easy cheesy.
I cannot believe we have made it. This is the car that has made it across the country.